little boy who had $1 went from shop to a shop and asked, "Excuse me, do you sell God?" Nobody replied. It turned night. He went to his 59th store and asked again. The owner replied, "Why do you want God?" The boy said, "My parents died and my uncle is raising me now. He is in hospital. The doctor told my uncle that only God can save him." The shopkeeper got emotional and asked, "How much do you have?" $1, he replied. "Child, God's price is exactly $1. He took the money and gave him a bottle of God's kiss. When he drinks God, he will get well soon." The little boy ran back to hospital and shouted happily, "Uncle, I bought God for you. You will get well soon," and told him how he found God. The next day, the world's top medical experts went straight to the boy's uncle. They did a thorough examination of his uncle's injuries. Soon, his uncle was cured. On the day he left the hospital, he almost passed out seeing the medical bill. A hospital's manager handed a letter to the uncle. "Young man, you don't need to thank me. All the medical expenses have been paid by your nephew. I wanted to tell you that you're a lucky man to have him. To save you, he brought $1 and went into every store to buy God. He was the person that saved you."